this is a question in physics from the topic electrostatic force. So here the question says the two-point charges plus 2 microcoulomb and minus 3 microcoulomb are 0.5 meter apart. So now the question says find the force between them, between these two charges rather, and the second question says is the force attractive or repulsive. So before we can know B, we have to do what? We have to solve for what? We have to solve for our A. So now let's go with that. Solution. So now I've told you that whenever we are solving anything in physics, we bring out our parameters, what we are given in the question. So here now we are saying 2-point charges which are what? Plus 2 microcoulomb and minus 3 microcoulomb. So we have the first charge which is what? Q1 is what? Plus 2 microcoulomb, and we also have Q2 to be equal to what? Minus 3 microcoulomb, isn't it? R what is 0.5 meter apart, that is the distance between them. So we have R, which is the distance, it is what? Is 0.5 meter apart. Do you understand? So now let's bring the schematic diagram now. So here this is a straight line, a straight line. So let me say this is my first point charge. It is what? Positive. It is positive, and my second point charge is what? It is also negative, isn't it? This is Q1 and this is what? Q2, right? And Q1, it is the first charge, which is what? It is 2 microcoulomb, isn't it? And this one is what? This is negative, which is what? 3 microcoulomb. Then their distance apart is what? Their distance apart is what? 0.5 meter, isn't it? And mind you, don't forget, we are given in microcoulomb, not in coulomb, so we need our idea of conversion here. That is, microcoulomb is 10 raised to the power minus 6. So here now we can basically say our Q1 same thing as saying 2 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 coulomb, and here same thing as saying what? 3 times what? 3 times 10 raised to the power 6 minus 6 coulomb. So now let's solve. What is the formula for calculating the force of attraction between these two charges? It is very simple. From Coulomb's law of electrostatic force. So it says that the force of attraction between two charges, Q1, Q2, directly proportional to the product of those charges, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance of the charges. So do you understand now? So we have the formula says F is equals to K Q1 Q2 over what? R squared, isn't it? So F is equals to K Q1 Q2 over R squared. We have our Q1, we have our Q2, we have our R, but what is our K? K is equals to, the Coulomb's constant is what? 9 times 10 raised to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square, isn't it? And we also know that from basic knowledge of electrostatic force, we know that K is equals, it is also known as the 1 over 4 pi E naught, isn't it? But this is the constant we need, the value of K here. Alright, so now let's continue. Now let's input our values into the formula. So we have F is equals to, what is K? That is 9 times 10 raised to the power 9, isn't it? Times, what is our Q1? Q1 is what? 2 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. And what is our Q2? 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 also. Divided by what? What is R? Our distance is what? 0.5 meter. Then everything all squared. So we have F to be equals to, now 9 times 2 times 3 will give us what? We have 9 times 2 is what? 18. Isn't it? And 18 times 3 is what? 18 times 3 is that is 54, right? That is 54 times 10 raised to the power. This is indices 9. This is minus 9. Multiplication will change to plus, so that will be 9 plus into bracket minus 6 and plus into bracket minus 6 again. So plus times minus is minus, so we have 9 minus 6. Plus times minus is minus 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 minus 6, that is 3. 3 minus 6 is what? That is minus 3. So now let's bring that there. So we have minus 3 divided by, so here also is 0.5 here. I can decide to change it to, I'm working with standard form here. So it becomes 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 1, then everything all squared, isn't it? So my force is equals to what? My force is equals to 554 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 5 squared is what? It is 25 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 give us, then 10 raised to the power minus 1 squared give us 10 raised to the power minus 2, isn't it? So we say F is equals to what? 54 divided by 25 is what? 54 divided by 25, it is 2.16. So we have 2.16 times 10 raised power. Now minus 3 minus, this is division, minus 3 divided by 10 raised power minus 3 divided by 10 raised power minus 2. So it becomes 10 raised power minus 3 divided by 10 raised power minus 2, isn't it? So same thing as saying 10 raised power minus 3, this is division, change to minus indices, and minus 2. So that will be minus minus is what? Plus, and minus 3 plus 2 is what? Minus 1. So we have 10 raised power what? 10 raised power minus 1. So we have F is equal to what? 2.16 times 10 raised power minus 1. So, and our unit of force is what? Newton. So this is the force of attraction between these 2 point charges. So now we've solved for our value of F, and mind you, the second question says, is the force attractive or repulsive? So now back to our schematic diagram. Now we know that this is positive and this is what? Negative. We should also know that rather, when two opposite charges are brought together, they do what? They attract, while two same charges do what? They repel. That is it. So from here now, this is a positive charge and this is negative. They are opposite. So we do what? They attract. So the answer is what? They are what? Attractive. Thank you.